Hi all. You see them and hear them all the time. Canada geese, or, as referred to in these parts, Canadian geese. They are big, loud, and prolific breeders. Look at this family of 16 from last year. Let's return to the present, where it is the beginning of the mating season. We'll take a look at the courtship behavior of these two Canadian geese. The female selects the male, and they mate for life. Once the male has been selected, the courtship begins. The head dipping is an integral part of the mating ritual. For these two, it went on for at least 5 minutes. After a couple of minutes, they stop so that the male can make some type of call, after which they resume the ritual. At this point, the intensity of the head dipping seems to increase. The female signals that she's ready. They celebrate and then return to their normal activities. They'll do this several times a day to ensure that a family is born. Thank you for viewing.